Kuya Roel, dito po muna kayo. Go and dito po muna. And especially, wala tayong lahat dito. Picture taking muna po kayo. Yes. Thank you so much po to our hardworking parents of our dear Debico. And for now, to give us an opening message, may I call the Kagawa Divine Q Assist to give us an opening message.